Lamsoko joto naitongnai mai contest Tripura YouTube channel tini chong kisa bwskangni salo Tripura government job tlangna naitongo kwbangma different department o tei kwbangkuk vacancy rok tam tong eba tlangna nai job kotal recruitment 2024 eba 2025 o job recruitment ongnai norok press meet video rok nukna kotal job tlangjakna naitongo tini abono kaham ke nailayano tamo post tong vacancy rok tei department rok nailayano Hingke friends omnorok nugi man dokana obo hingke sini Tripura ni Chief Minister Shri Dr. Mani Saha bini Twitter account no kwbangma share khaijak tongo x.com image photo rok bwskang salo tam job talangjaknai amarok share khaijak faidike sing tini obono sing tini nailayano kwbangma tam job vacancy tong friends omnorok nugui man tongkana obo hingke kotal job talangjaknai tongo recruitment amo hingke forest department ni bagai amke total tongo 72 vacancy hingke oro nugui man tongkana abo hingke informatics research officer group B gazetted aboke gazette officer duita post talangjaknai abo hingke informatics research officer aboke group B job hingke tai o jaga tongo senior informatics research officer group A aboke senior aboke gazetted amobo ekta post or total tongo 72 hingke o jaga tongo amoke forest guard ni bagai 167 167 ta post tongo o jaga o amoke forest guard ni bagai talangjaknai abo hingke 167 hingke next tongo o jaga o surveyor abo hingke duita talangjaknai total hingke o jaga o 72 abo ke forest department bwskang salo job recruitment ongnai abo hingke 2024 ba 2025 amoni bisingo no o job rok process ongbai nai next hingke bo hai abo hingke home department abo ke total 218 tongo amke omobo bwskangni salo job recruitment ongnai abo bo job talangjaknai abo ke sub inspector ni bagai chwlarokni hingke total tongo post tongo abo hingke 194 194 tai borok hingke 24 ta tongo 24 post tongo abo hingke home department ni job recruitment talangjaknai abo hingke sub inspector ni bagai abo hingke total vacancy hingke 218 next hingke bo tribal welfare department o job talangjaknai abo ke bwskang salo omobo total tongo 16 ta post tongo tam tongke different o jaga tongo lower division clerk tongo 8 ta tongo multitasking staff MTS abo ke 3 ta post tongo tai research investigation abo hingke 2 ta post tongo hingke tai kaisa hingke abo ke 3 ta post tongo abo hingke programmer ekta post tongo tai assistant programmer abo bo 2 ta hingke total oro 3 ta tongo hingke joto milawi hingke o jaga o 16 ta post talangjaknai bwskang salo abo hingke job abo hingke tribal welfare department o talangjaknai job bwskangni salo next tongo abo hingke revenue department o kwbangma job talangjaknai abo ke group C ni abo hingke norok nugui man tongkana onek different category no abo ke job group C ni bagai talangjaknai abo hingke revenue department ni hingke abo ke talangjaknai amo hingke total vacancy tongo 254 vacancy tongo hingke bwskang salo abo bo recruitment ongnai abo hingke 2024 to 2025 ni bisingo no process ongbai nai abo hingke revenue department group C job abo hingke next hingke abo ke law department parliamentary affairs abo hingke total oro vacancy talangjaknai bwskang salo amo bo recruitment abo hingke 39 ta 39 ta post tongo tam tongke o jaga 1 number tongo LDC library abo ke 2 ta post tongo tai driver hingke 8 ta post hingke multitasking staff hingke 3 ta post tongo tai data entry operators abo hingke 21 ta post tongo hingke court masters hingke abo ke 2 ta tongo tai hingke abo hingke 3 ta post tongo hingke oro total hingke 39 ta post tongo abo hingke bwskang salo recruitment talangjaknai amo bo job advertisement ongkhnai abo hingke bwskangni salo amo ke law department parliamentary affairs job talangjaknai hingke total 39 post next hingke abo hingke 3 ta department romai o jaga job tongo abo hingke youth affairs and sport department abo hingke physical instructor post abo ke 75 post tongo tai finance department no tongo abo ke multitasking staff talangjanai abo ke finance department no abo ke post tongo total 12 ta tai kaisa hingke ARDD abo hingke duita post tongo abo hingke photographer ekta tai assistant engineer mechanical abo hingke ekta total duita tongo abo ke ARDD department no talangjangnai hingke agriculture department ni bagui hingke oro bwskang salrogo borok saklai repinai oro kota rok kwrwi vacancy rok paipano borok talangna chance tongo abo hingke principal college agriculture aboni bagui talangjana chance tongo bwskang salo abo update manai abo hingke education department amo jotono sai kwbang kuk job o jagao talangjanai abo hingke bwskang salo abo hingke education department total o jagao nugui tongkhana norok 742 pre primary teacher amokhe 352 ta post tongo talangjanai aboke tegaisangke librarian aboke 125 ta post tongo 125 abo totally borok 477 post tongo amo job talangjanai aboke education department ke tegaisa next tongo aboke 153 post tongo aboke postgraduate teacher tai computer science abongke 118 ta talangjangnai and deputy director aboke 17 ta 17 talangjangnai abongke tegaisangke various categories post for Ramkrishna Mission Vidyalaya abongke 17 ta post amobo talangjangnai amo hingke next hingke executive engineer abo ekta post talangjanai total o jaga tongo 153 hingke next hingke tei kaisa 112 post abo hingke special education jara pori tongnai rok B.Ed khaijak borok ni bagui no job rok ngana haima tongo special education abo ke 112 abo ke post tongo 112 ta post tongo amo bo bwskang salo recruitment tei waisa khlaijak pinai abo hingke bwskang salo recruitment khlaijaknai abo ke government job abo ke forest department home department tribal welfare department revenue department hingke tai tinta department tongo abo ke youth affair and sport department finance department ARDD department agriculture department law department education department o kwbangma job recruitment khlaijaknai total o jagao je borok rwmwtui total 1430 post obo hayo jagao mention khlaijak tongo bwskang salo teibo job vacancy ongkhonai tai talangjaknai hingke amorokno norok recruitment nasingui tongdi amorokno job joto qualification milebekhe jotono apply khlaimanai jar qualification mileba jagao friends norok obo information tei mana bagui ani YouTube channel subscribe khaina di tei bell icon sina tapok di kora video upload khaipro notification thangchokna bagui।